Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Olympiad Math. Today we are looking at an interesting problem from geometry. You're given an acute angled triangle and there 19 times one angle, that is A, equals 15 times another angle B. Also given that all angles are integers. In such a triangle, what is the value of the third angle? C. That is the problem. An acute angular triangle is one with each of the three angles being less than 90 degree. So to begin with, for ease of writing, let me take angle A as angle B as B and then angle C as C. And as per the data given, these A, B, C are integers. To be more precise, they are positive integers. Obviously, they cannot be negative. Now, the given equation, this 19 times A, you can write in small letter. You can easily work it out if you make use of these substitutions. That's all. 19A equal to 15B. This implies what? Taking 19 to the right side, you will have 15 by 19 multiplied by B. Now we know that A is an integer. If A is an integer, definitely the right side has to be an integer because an integer equal to a fractional expression like this. Since A is an integer, 15B divided by 19 has to be an integer, which implies what? B should be a multiple of 19. See, for example, if I say x by 5 is an integer, where x is a variable, what are the possible values of x? It could be multiples of 5, 10, 15, and goes on. Obviously, 0 is also one possible value of x because 0 divided by 5 is 0 and 0 is an integer. So when I say x by 5 is an integer, these are the possible values of x. Similarly, here 15b divided by 19 is an integer. Because of a being an integer, the numerator has to be a multiple of the denominator. That indirectly means since 15 and 19 are co-primes, there is no common factor. B has to be a multiple of 19. So what is the first possible value for B? B equal to, this is the first multiple of 19. And what will be the corresponding value of A? See, when you put B equal to 19, A will be 15 divided by 19 multiplied by 19. These two cancel. You will get 15. That means the corresponding value for A will be 15. Then what is the next possible value of B? That will be the next multiple of 19, that is 38. Now, corresponding to 38, what is the possible value of A? You will be doing this multiplied by 38. Simplifying, you get 30. So, corresponding to B being 38, A is 30. Now, what is the next possible value for B? 57. And putting 57 in place of B, you are going to get 45. A equal to 15 divided by 19, 57. It goes 3 times. 3 multiplied by 15, 45. In fact, you don't need to waste your time substituting B equal to 57 here because if you look at these numbers, these sequence of numbers you're going to get for A and B will form an arithmetic progression. So after writing the first two terms, you can see a difference of 19 being the common difference. So you just keep adding 19 for the first one. Similarly, here the difference is 15. So you're going to get an arithmetic progression with a difference of 15. So the next number is 45. If you use that logic, the next value will be 76 and the corresponding value here will be 60. And the next one, you add 19 to this. So that will be 95 and the corresponding value here is 75. But there's a catch. You know that these numbers A and B are less than 90, being the angles of an acute angled triangle. So B cannot be more than 90. So this is not possible. Anything beyond that will not work because of B being less than 90. So these are the 4 possible values you're getting for A and B. Now we have found out only 2 angles of the triangle. There is one more angle, that is this angle. Can you see that? Which we have represented by C. So what will be the third angle corresponding to 19 and 15? Let's make use of the idea of sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. which means A plus B plus C equal to 180. B is 19, A is 15. So substituting those values, you get this. And this is 34 plus C equal to 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 34. But 180 minus 34, as you know, you don't need to waste time simplifying this. This is greater than 90, which it cannot be because C is also one of the angles of this acute angle triangle. So the value you are going to get here is bigger than 90, and these values don't fit into an acute angle triangles. So let's drop this three possible values. Now corresponding to 38 and 30, let's find out the third angle. Like we did here, see A will be 30, can you see this? And B is 38 plus C equal to 180. This implies C is equal to 30 plus 38 is 68. Taking to the right side, you have 68. This also is seen to be bigger than 90. This angle also, the third angle C is going to be bigger than 90, which will not work. So this possibility also getting rejected. Now look at the third possibility, 57 and 45. Again substitute in A plus B plus C. Okay, let me substitute here. A is 45, B is 57, plus C equal to 180. Now 45 plus 57, 2, then 102. That is 57 plus 45, plus C equal to 180. This implies C is equal to 180 minus 102, which works out to 78. So the third angle is 78, which is less than 90. So this is acceptable. So let me write the third value, which is 78. That is C value. So what do you see? These are the three angles you are getting. 57, 45, 78. And each one of them is less than 90. So they will form one possible triangle satisfying all the conditions given in the problem. Now let's move to the fourth case where you have 76 as B and A is 60. Again, like we did here, let me plug in A as 60 and B as 76 plus C equal to 180. Now this comes to 136 plus C equal to 180, which implies C is equal to 180 minus 136. This on simplification 44. So let me write the value of C as 44. And look at these angles. All the three angles are less than 90. That means this will form another possible triangle satisfying the conditions given in the data. So you have two triangles, okay, with the angles being these three, and for a second triangle, these three are the angles. So we got the value of C as, in this case, 78, in the other case, 44. So these are the two values of the required angle, and this is the final answer to the problem we have. If you liked what you saw in my video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this video with others and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified of other videos of mine. By the way, whatever your comments regarding the solution you saw here, please do let me know through your comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.